Perform the indicated operations 12 divided by the product of 3 and 4 by first doing the multiplication and then doing the division. So we can see in this problem we have these parentheses around the 3 and the 4. And so that tells us some of you may know about the order of operations. These parentheses tell us do what's inside the parentheses first. So if we do that, we're going to end up with 12 divided by, and we know that 3 times 4 is 12. And so there we did the multiplication first, and now let's go ahead and do the division. 12 divided by 12 we know is 1. Now down below, they're telling us to perform the indicated operations, and here the quotient, 12 divided by 3, is in parentheses, and it says times 4, by doing the division and then doing the multiplication. So again, we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then we have times 4, and we know that 4 times 4 is 16. So notice what we have here. In the first problem, we had 12 divided by 3 times 4. Second one, 12 divided by 3 times 4. So the problem, that pieces were all in the same order, but what I did first changed. The parentheses let me do different pieces first. And we can see that makes a difference. So down here in part C, where we compare our results, does the order that we multiply and divide in matter? We can say absolutely it does. If I did the division first, down here we came up with 16, but if I did the multiplication first up here, I came up with 1. So these problems are going to be different. And this is going to be explored a little bit more when we get into the next section, that we're going to see that there's a particular order that's dictated. So if I have the problem 12 divided by 3 times 4, and let's say that there was no parentheses, we would have to know which one we have to do first. And that's one of the things that we're going to see in the next section, that when we have both division and multiplying, the rule is, because I'm going to come up with a different answer if I just choose one way or choose the other, the rule is that we're always going to work multiplying or dividing from left to right through the problem. So the correct way to do this, if there were no parentheses, would be to do the division first. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then we would bring down the times 4, and 4 times 4 would give us the 16. So that would be the correct answer if there were no parentheses to guide us, to tell us what to do first.